Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature. Open Settings, tap Control Center, and add screen recording to included controls so the button appears. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb won't block notifications during capture. Silence can interrupt the flow and confuse viewers. You should also think about audio. Long press the screen recording control later to toggle the microphone and understand why you might want internal versus narrated sound while recording. You open Control Center, top right on Face ID devices or bottom on home button models, and tap the screen recording icon. A 3-second countdown gives you time to prepare the app you'll record. Once recording starts, red status or pill appears to confirm active capture, so you know it's working. If you need voiceover, long press before tapping Start and enable microphone. This explains why you control audio here versus adding narration later in editing. You stop recording by tapping the red status bar or the pill, then confirm stop. The clip saves automatically to Photos so you can edit or share immediately. Once saved, open Photos to trim, extract audio, or use the share sheet to move the file to Files, Messages, or AirDrop. This is why saving to Photos is convenient. If recording fails, check Control Center inclusion, available storage, storage permissions, and screen time limits that might.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.